Go home happy with the 2017 Nissan Titan. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner, satellite radio, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, fog lamps, power passenger seat, chrome wheels, backup camera. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.